Hello children, welcome to this session. Let's enjoy a poem, Bird Talk by Ellen Fisher from Marigold Book, Part 3, NCERT. When you look at the birds, what do you think about them? How do they fly? Where do they live? How do they sing? But do you know what they think about us? In this poem, things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. This poem is a conversation between two words. In this stanza, we see here are two words. Their names are Robin and Jay. They are sitting in a garden and they are talking to each other. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Let's see what Robin and Jay are saying. They are talking about human beings, that how they grow. They don't have feathers also. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on bars and things. They are talking about how human beings are different from them because they don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, and they don't sit on bars and things. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Do you think birds find people funny? Yes, in this stanza we see birds find people funny because human beings are different from them in many ways. They can't fly, they don't have wings, they don't eat beetles, and they also don't sit on bars. To the new words of this poem. First word is beetles. Beetles means insects. Word is sitting. Sitting means to sit for particular purpose. Wars means thin flexible rods. Funny means causing laughter. This is all about the poem. Hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you very much.